Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, the winter vacations are on. Right from 21st of December 2020, you are enjoying, you are having the vacations, winter vacations. In these days of vacations, you must move to some coaching centers if you are not still enrolled in any of the coaching centers, whether in private capacity or government run tutorials. Better is to facilitate yourself physically in government run institutions because they are free of cost. Some meager amount of heating charges are there for you, otherwise, it is totally free. Their students last academic year turned the victim of COVID-19 pandemic and by which schools remained shut throughout where you met with huge losses. In order to compensate this loss, you have to work hard. You have to put extra efforts. You have to cut every barrier in front of you to compensate this loss. Dear students of class 10th and 12th, today we are dealing with English, very important thing, that is how you can make change of voice in present simple tense. For that I received a phone call and a very important tense in the English grammar, present simple tense. Dear students, present simple tense is a tense in which you find first form of the verb simply, and it is the tense in which universal truths are said, in which routine actions are said, habitual things are said, permanent things are said. For example, if you go to school daily, that means you go to school daily. This is habitual action or permanent action. You pray daily, I pray daily. You can't say I'm praying daily because it's a habitual, it's a routine, it's a permanent action. So, but the construction it has got, that is the present simple tense or present indefinite tense. Present simple tense is a tense in which you find first form of the verb. But you have to keep in the mind that I, you, and plural in present simple never takes any es, ies, or s with the first form of the verb. But the third person singulars, for example, Rashid, he, she, Imran, it takes s, es, or ies with the first form of the verb. For example, I go to school, you go to school, they go to school. You can't say he go to school, he goes to school, she goes to school, Rashid goes to school. So simply you need to keep in your mind that tense in which you find the first form of the verb is a present simple. And in present simple, those actions are said which are of permanent nature, which are routine nature, which are universal truths, or which are habitual. But the important thing is that how you can make change in voice of present simple. First of all, you need to recognize the tense, that is a present simple. If you find the first form of the verb there, it is present simple. Then you have to identify the subject and the object. And without the subject and without the verb, there can't be a sentence. You have to find out subject and the object. And subject simply means action doer, and object means action receiver. And what subject does is verb. For example, Imran plays hockey. Imran plays hockey. Here Imran is the subject, hockey is the object, and plays is the verb. So action doer is Imran, subject, action receiver is hockey, object, and what Imran does is verb. Imran plays, so it's a verb. So, but one more important thing you have to keep in the mind, what is the active verb or active sentence? Active verb or active sentence is a sentence in which the subject of the verb dominates or governs the verb, subject dominates the verb, subject governs the verb. Example, Imran plays hockey. Here Imran is governing the verb. Here Imran is dominating the verb. And such as sentence or such a verb is called the active verb because it is being dominated by the subject of the verb. And simply the object is action receiver. The hockey is receiving action, and when you have to change its voice, in voice change you can't make the change in meaning. You only change the voice. Sentence remains same. Active voice is normal, but passive is never a normal voice. We often talk in active voices, not in passive voice. So Imran plays cricket, or Imran plays hockey, or if you have to make its change. Hockey is object here in a singular, with every singular thing. In present simple we use is, or with I we use am. Hockey is played. Hockey is played by Imran. In passive voice, always third form of the verb is used. And remember, passive voice is a voice, or passive verb is a voice verb where the subject of the verb is acted upon. Subject of the verb is acted upon. In active verb, subject governs the verb, or subject dominates the verb. In passive, it is subject of the verb that is governed upon, or that is ruled. So take one more example. Ahmad catches a bus. Ahmad catches a bus. Here Ahmad is what? Ahmad is subject, catches verb, bus is object. And when we make it change, a bus is caught by Ahmad. A bus is caught by Ahmad. Remember, you have to use with the singulars is and then the third form of the verb, and be, by before the agency which does the work. So simply you have to keep in the mind that Ahmad catches a bus is caught by Ahmad. In passive voice, always third form of the verb is used. But the important thing in passive voice is that you have to recognize the tense first. You have to recognize the tense first. You have to recognize the subject and object, and then according to tense you have to change. According to tense, you can't make it change randomly or quickly without seeing the things like subject, object, verb. Take one more example. I hit him. I hit him. I is here subject. I is here subject, is subjective pronoun. Hit is verb. Him is object. Him is object. Now you have to change. I subject, hit verb, him object, and object form of him is his. He is hit. He is hit by. I got changed to me because I's object form is me. So he is hit. He is hit. I hit him. I hit him. He is hit by me. If you can't insert by me, the rest of the things are understood there. Where students, this is how you can make change of voice in present simple, because these things are often asked in the board examinations. Even these things are asked in JKSSB exams. Dear students, present simple is a tense in which you find first form of the verb, and present tense simple is a tense in which you find the universal truths, you find the habitual things, you find the routine things, you find the permanent things. And when you make change of voice in present simple, you have to keep subject, object, verb, these things in the mind. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query or confusion that will strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But important thing is that you have to work hard. Be balanced. Thanks.